Hi, my lovely viewers. In this video, we'll be looking at how to easily find verified scholarships in Canada, how to know if you are eligible, key timelines, funding available like for airfare, fees, accommodation, and health insurance, and tips to boost your chances of being successful with applications. Hi, lovely viewers. So let's proceed to find scholarships in Canada. The first step is to search for canada.ca, which leads us to the home page. This is what the interface should look like. And we proceed to the menu section. There's a whole lot of information on the home page, spanning from jobs, immigration, travel and tourism, and so on. Okay, so go to the menu. And under the menu, there's a lot of information about Canada. So if you want to explore other things as well, their culture, history, transport, and so on, you can click on them to find more information. But where we are interested in is the money and finances. So when you scroll to money and finances, you can see that it has populated other subheadings. Now you'd want to click on education and funding. So education funding, just right here, we'll click on that. Now this takes us to the education funding page. As we can see, it talks about scholarships, paying for your education, budgeting tips, and paying off student debt. Now the area of interest is scholarships. So we'll click on scholarships, and as we can see, there are undergraduate scholarships, graduate scholarships, doctoral and postdoctoral scholarship awards, and bursaries available. So let's click on that. Now we see a wide range of scholarships listed here. So there's the ECCC Meteorology Awards Program, Canada Graduate Scholarships, the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships, Banting Postdoctoral Fellowships, specific ones for international scholarships for Canadians, international scholarships for non-Canadians, and so on. So all these are opportunities available, and feel free to click on them all and explore. I believe most of my viewers may be outside of Canada wanting scholarship opportunities. So let's proceed to the international scholarships for non-Canadians section. The interesting thing about this section is that it takes us to or leads us to a wide range of scholarship opportunities. It will specifically list scholarship for international applicants, and there is also the opportunity to find specific scholarships based on your country, which I find very, very exciting. And I'm pleased Canada has this very comprehensive website tailored to the needs of everyone all over the world. I think this is a very good website, which you should explore really if you're interested. So now we have come to the international scholarship section for non-Canadians. You can see a number of them here, Emerging Leaders in the Americas program, studying Canada scholarships, loads and loads of scholarships. And what excites me is that they've even put testimonials of people who have benefited from these scholarships to let you know that these are real. They're not just there for being their sake. And I've seen someone from Ghana who got a scholarship to study in Canada between 2023 to 2024, someone from Colombia, someone from China. So you can read on their testimonials to know what their journey was like. And if you're interested in any specific ones as well, you can click on them. Now, I think most people want scholarships that um, are open to the countries of origin. So in that case, if you want to find a scholarship for which your country falls under the eligible list of eligible countries, then you can click on search for scholarships. Okay. So now when you click on search for scholarships, it should bring you to another page where you'll be asked to put in your country, your citizenship status, and select your profile type. So this is the next page. It asks you to select your citizenship. So for instance, if you're non-Canadian, selecting your profile, I believe most people will be students or prospective students. So let's click on that. And what I find exciting really is the long list of countries available. I mean, look at this. There is Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Bahamas. Scrolling down, we see Cambodia, Cameroon, and then moving on to the D section, there's Dominica, there's Egypt, Finland, Fiji, there's Ghana, there's Guinea, Hong Kong, a full list of countries. So scrolling through, you can see all the countries that are eligible, really, and you can select to see what is available to your country. So let's scroll and then select a country just to demonstrate how this works. So let's start with Nigeria, for instance. So you just click on View Scholarships and you find the scholarships available to Nigerians. So we've got the Canadian Queen Elizabeth II Diamond Jubilee Scholarship. So these are the scholarships here. So if you click on them, you'll be able to find out more about these scholarships. So the thing is that the application period, obviously we're in a new year, so for last year is closed, but it will definitely be open this year. And the good thing is that they have even given further information so you can prepare ahead of time. They give information about the scholarship value as well, the eligible expenses, like things like airfare, health insurance, living expenses, accommodation, utilities, and food, um, the application process as well. So you can even begin to prepare, put your documents together till the application timeline opens or the application window opens. So there are key dates as well where they have given, deadline dates for the previous year. So you can use this as a guideline to know when they would open the window for application for the scholarship as well, scholarship conditions as well. There's a contact us section where you can even send an email if you have personal questions to ask. You can even email them. So this is really, really good. So as you can see, this is just one of the scholarships available to Nigerians. So if we go back, we can now change and, for instance, search for scholarships available to Ghanaians. So for Ghanaians, for instance, I've put that in as well, and it's sort of populated nearly the same scholarships available to Nigerians. So for instance, let's check which scholarships are available to people from China, and it's also populated again. So this is a way in which you can find scholarships open to your country specifically. Okay. I hope you have found this video very useful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In the course of the year, we will be picking specific scholarships and we will talk about how to apply. We'll talk about, the step-by-step application process. And there's a video that I've done with a multi-scholarship award winner called David. He shared very, very, very good tips on how to boost your chances or increase your chances of winning scholarships. He is a multi-scholarship award winner. I would urge you to watch that video. And I've come up with a video on the key tips that he shared. So please watch that at the end of this video and comment in the comment section if you have any comments or if there are any specific scholarships you want us to dissect in upcoming videos or even countries where you'd want to explore.